Hello, lifestylers. This is your girl, Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So, guys, today is day 2 of my 40 days juicing, right? Yes, day 2, guys. And today I'm making a simple green juice packed with nutrients and everything that my body requires. So today, the 3 main ingredients for this juice is kale, celery, green apples, ginger, and lemon. And it's pretty much what I have in my fridge. Normally, I would add cucumber to this, but I don't have cucumber and I'm not going to the store, and that will not be an excuse. I'm very intentional this year with my health, and myself, and this here is self-care for me, right? I'm dealing with the inside, out. Yes, guys. So this is a very simple ingredients, guys. But before I go any further, if you're new over here on Lifestyle with Yoli, welcome. I really do enjoy having you, and thank you so much for your subscription. But don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, turn your post notification on, and drop a comment in this comment section and let me know if you're new here, so the family can welcome you and myself, can welcome you to the family. And for my real OG, my real lifestyler family who support me every time I drop a video, big up on yourself. Your girl love and appreciate you guys taking the time to watch and support my channel. And guys, this is 2025. Share, all right? Make we do things different. Let's support each other. So share up the content. It doesn't cost to share. It doesn't cost to support, right? From your love, what I'm putting out, support your girl. Give your girl a thumbs up, all right? Anyways, guys, before I go any further, let me tell you a little about the kale, the celery, and the apple. So for one, guys, this drink is filled with anti-inflammatory. So if you have arthritis, if you suffer with chronic back pain as myself, this is the juice for you. It will help to alleviate some of those chronic pain. It won't take away everything, but it will take away some things. It will give you a little comfort, Yes, and this is one of the main reasons that I am trying to do things different, guys, because suffering with chronic pain, getting up every day in pain is not one of the nicest feelings. Anyways, guys, this drink is rich in antioxidants. Yes, guys, it's rich in vitamin C. This juice, guys, may help to lower your blood pressure. Also, guys, this juice, this simple juice, it supports your digestive health. So if you suffer with digestive problems, if you suffer with nausea and all those things, guys, this is the juice for you. It's loaded with so many benefits. Anyways, guys, enough said. Let's get into making this juice, and then later on we could continue to talking about this juice a little bit more. All right. Guys, my sink is clean. I'm gonna wash my kale in the sink because I want it to be properly washed. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little baking soda on it, guys, and I'm gonna make sure I wash it properly. And as I said, guys, I cleaned my sink properly before I came on set. Oh, yeah, all a flood cleaner, guys.
Right? That's not pay me, guys. I may leave wet out.
let that water out, and then I give it a second rinse.
So again, guys, if you missed the ingredients, apple, celery,
Yep.
lemon or lime, ginger, and kale.
Yep. And guys, when you're juicing, always put the leafy vegetables in first, okay? Guys, this is how I peel my lemon. A lot of people do it different, but my lime, this is lime. This is how I peel my lime. Some people do it different. I peel it like I'm peeling an orange. And the ginger, guys, I'm washing the ginger. Everything, guys, I wash with baking soda, okay? Everything except the lime. Never, after you peel your lime, don't put it in no water because it will soak up the water, and we don't want that, right? Yeah, we don't want no toxins in our stuff. Yeah. So guys, see, even the preparation, it's not long, right? So another thing, now I can tell you guys. So guys, as I was saying, I have a sea moss business, guys. So you guys can always go over to my channel. And I also do juice cleanse. I do juice cleanse. Some people, they use it for juice cleanse. I do natural juices, which can be used as juice cleanse, guys. So some people, they just drink it. Some people just buy juice and drink, you know, incorporating it in their diet, in their everyday diet, you know. And there's other people that buy it for weight loss reasons. So they do a juice cleanse.
And what's the name of the business?
The name of the business is Riley's Best Sea Moss. Guys, I'm not gonna use all this ginger as I'm not able. I got too spicy because it's not a lot of I don't have a lot of ingredients. So yeah, this is enough. Yeah. All right, guys.
And guys, if you see her make a juice that is not on her website, you can always request it.
Yep,
and
definitely.
she'll make it as just the same.
Definitely.
Sometimes, because 40 days, I'm sure she's gonna do stuff that she's never done.
Yes, guys.
So you know,
yeah,
maybe a new line will come out of it.
Only thing, guys, don't request summer juices like watermelon and those stuff, guys. I can't afford to buy it, and I can't afford to sell it because you won't buy it because it's very expensive.
They're very expensive because
Yeah,
they're
so
scarce.
Vegetables and stuff, I don't mind, but like the watermelon and stuff, I just made my last batch of watermelon on Friday. So if you guys want watermelon, I think I still do have a few, but don't request it after.
After the batch is
Yes.
done. Okay, guys, so everything has been prepped. I guess this is the ginger that she won't use.
Yes,
Because
I'll use that tomorrow.
All right.
I don't know. And guys, yesterday I had the leftover of the chayote juice, so that's why I didn't come on. So that's why I'm just on day 2. So some days, guys, you'll find that I skip because I still have leftover juice for the next day.
And guys, if we never fight her for some, she would have skipped today too. So you guys are welcome.
Listen.
If we never fight her for some, she would still have more. So you're welcome, guys.
Yes.
You don't have to thank me. I drank that last bottle for you guys.
Here are, guys. Anyways, guys, so, you know, let's get started with the juicing process. And guys, I am using the Nama J2 juicer. This is not a paid promotion, guys, but I can tell you for sure it is a good juicer. I will put this over here. Okay, put this back here. That's the end. Yeah. So guys, it's the Nama J2. That's the juicer that I am using, guys. All right. Okay. Let's get started. So guys, always put the leafy vegetables first, and then you could add like an apple or so to it because it will help, you know, get the juice, extract the juice better out of the leafy vegetables. All right. And guys, I know you must be saying, why you Linda cut the apple them? Let me cut them today, just in case you guys are saying that. Why she don't cut them? Those are big. When you have good juice, guys, that's how you behave. So I'm putting in the ginger. I'm putting in the lemon and all the ginger. All right. And we shall start. Oh, I didn't plug it in.
She's too excited, guys. She don't
Okay. It wasn't plugged in properly, guys. And sometimes, guys, I just add stuff to it. Here, the ones that can go through, I add it. And then, hey, don't do that now, ma. Guys, I don't remember. No, I've never had the kale without the cucumber. So, and I hope these apples are sweet. The apples. But guys, for me, either way, even if it's not sweet, I'm still drinking it because I know the benefits. I'm happy. I'm pleased with what I'm putting in my body.
Nama is Nama in, guys.
Yeah. And some people cut off the leaf of the celery. I juice everybody. It looks nice and rich. I'm gonna turn it off a little. And I'm gonna add some more apple because I want it to help help extract the juice properly from the leafy vegetable.
So why you decide to do this 40-day juicing?
It was one of my New Year's, what is it they call? Is it time? Huh?
In 10 minutes.
Okay. Alright, sorry guys. So why I decided to do this 40 days of juicing, because it's not a cleanse, it's just juicing. This was one of the things that I wanted to change in 2025. You know, we're always saying, self-care, self-care. You know what I mean? And I've seen a few influencers like, self-care for them is taking care of also the inside, because your body's a temple and, what we put in it, determines sometimes on what we get out of it. And guys, with all these diseases and illness and all these things that I see people having nowadays, it kind of triggered me to make that change or to even try, because I want this to become a habit for me. And it's not that I wasn't juicing before, but I wasn't as consistent with my juicing. Yes, and I've seen where people have healed their body from just juicing, and I have chronic pain, and sometimes, guys, you feel sluggish, because of what you have put inside of your body. So I'm going to say, okay, this, I'm going to prioritize myself this year, even though it's going to cost me, because guys, juicing is expensive. But don't sometimes we buy expensive stuff for ourselves. So for me, even though it's expensive, it's a price that I am willing to pay for myself long term. Yes, so does that answer the question?
Yes, it does. Thank you on behalf of the lifestylers.
So guys, you understand? Remember all the empty. Guys, I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna add some more of the leafy vegetables, and then I add the rest of apple.
Oh, you're not gonna get Aquan. I wanted him to be the tester.
Aquan!
You won't catch him often.
Aquan! Aquan! Him not answer no, guys. Can no one be no tester? It can't be 2 minutes late.
Because you're almost finished.
Yeah. Should be finished in 5 minutes. Because it's just the apple.
Guys, let me give you a little story. I was doing my work, right? Yeah. And Yolanda said, can you give me 10 minutes of your time?
I want you to taste the juice. On video.
In 5 minutes.
Come on, say the party over. Party not over, promise. Party just started.
So guys, back to my story time. I'm there doing my work, guys. I hear from downstairs, Tina, like one big commotion with her and her children calling my name. So I called on my phone and I said, what's going on? Can you give me 10 minutes of your time to do a recording? Guys, at 30 minutes or more now, me there, so.
No, guys, as she asks all the questions, when we hear her, this, that.
But we would have still silent because we are working, so we have to ask some questions on behalf of the lifestylers.
This is the lifestylers.
Yeah.
No stuff.
Because we would have still stand up with the camera.
And guys, another thing too, if you only have a blender, guys, and you don't have a juicer, work with what you have.
So can you show us in a video how to juice with a blender?
Yeah, I should, yeah.
Yeah.
If that's what you have, guys, what you could do, you could get like a bottle of cook, see? The
leafy stuff.
Yeah. So guys, this is why it's important to kind of mix them together.
And the leafy stuff are at the bottom.
Yeah, because we want them go through together. Because remember, the leafy stuff don't have a lot of juice. So that's why I'm putting the celery too. Because celery has a lot of juice. What was I saying? Yeah. So I think I'll do one and how to make juice with the blender. It won't be as sweet.
Why it won't be as sweet?
Huh?
Why it won't be as sweet?
Because it's not extracting the juice. You're blending it with water, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you again on behalf of the lifestylers.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want her to do one using a blender, put it in the comment section so that she can see that there's a need for that one. Not everybody have access to.
Yes.
Sometimes you just have to use what you have.
Yeah, so use what you have, guys. When my mom, she blend hers same way, and sometimes she put like a little, you know, she had her little sugar and stuff, which I don't really recommend, but if that's, you know.
Miss Polly come for her. I can hear her saying no. I don't always add sugar. Why you saying that?
Exactly. It's almost done, guys. 5 minutes.
I just have a little bit remaining, guys, and yeah. And you have about what, 2 or 3 bottles here?
Yeah, about that or more, because it's not done yet, right? So, guys, I'm gonna get the glasses ready so Aquan can taste it and maybe Promise can taste the rest.
Promise, you want to do a taste test as well? Just a little bit? She said just a little bit. Don't give her a full glass, please, and thank you. Just a little bit.
Promise not in night today. Aquan, what happened?
I don't want you in our footage.
Right? Because if you come in the footage, you're gonna have to put taste.
And this one is kale, celery, and apple. Huh? You don't look excited. You don't look so excited.
It's like this one don't sound like fun.
Oh, you're walking around this time. You don't want to taste it.
So you're not into that, man. Guys, but I'm gonna start including them in, you know?
And then they're gonna start
Because the right nutrients, guys, they will function better at school, you know?
We're gonna have to change this out soon.
Guys, I'm gonna do
This is overflowing.
not yet. It's just the fraud. We gotta do one, guys. I'm gonna do one that will, you know, for the kids that will support their brain health, help them to focus better in school.
What are 10 minutes of my time, sis?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Oh,
Thank you for your 10
10
minutes.
multiplied by 4.
Thank you for your 10 minutes.
Multiplication. 10 multiplied by 4.
So guys, I'm pretty much, you know, pretty much done. Just clearing up my area. I got the cup already for Aquan. Guys, I have a rule in the house. Anybody that empty anybody that empty the ice tray, to pull it back. So I have to follow.
And right now, anybody is her.
Yeah, so I have to follow those.
And guys, I already make the rules sometimes.
These kids, guys, and they love ice, but
Almost done, guys. Just a little kale that's there, and celery. Seems like all that apple is gone.
and guys, I've been losing weight. I don't know if you guys see.
We see it in your cheekbone. Your
Yeah, I've
cheekbone
been
sticking
losing.
out.
And guys, honestly, if I should be honest, I don't like what do you say?
What? Losing too much weight?
Yeah, I'm not. I don't want to be that skinny girl.
Guys, let me tell you why she don't like losing too much weight. You see when she lose a lot of weight, guys, you see those cheekbones?
They stand up.
They'll juke you
And
like,
here?
you know, like back home, Maka, when Maka juke you, those cheekbones.
And shoulders. My mom always say, guys, Do no Jamaican. Do not lose no more weight.
Go eat.
You can't, when you lose weight, you can't catch water in your shoulder.
Sometimes my mama say, you look too terrible, man. Go and go eat.
Guys, I just don't want the stomach. You understand? I can deal with the thickness, but you know what? If there's something called healthy thick, some want a healthy thick, full of muscle, you look at me 6-pack.
So sis, do you go to the gym? As the people want to know.
No, I go to physio and I do a lot of massaging. So right now, the most I do is my physio, and it is exercise.
How often?
I do it I do physio once a week. My doctor has not released me yet to go back to exercise on my own.
Okay, so we're just asking to let you know the muscle's not gonna come until you're released, okay?
Guys, I don't like her. Guys, but you see what's happening right now? I'm gonna show you what I mean. The leaf, wait a second. So you see, because, see the leaf? They're not going down.
Because there's no more apple.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see if it will go down now. That's why I said, guys, you have to do it with stuff that will push it down. Because right now,
Isn't that an apple that's in it there? No?
a lemon, but I don't know why it won't go through either. And I don't have nothing. Maybe if I push a piece of ginger with it, or just leave that one.
Just leave it. Because then you don't want it too spicy, as Promise would say.
Oh, actually, it's going down now. Let me see. I'm giving it 1 minute.
Guys, Promise said the party's over and she came down
Yeah,
and she crashed it.
Yeah.
So if you're hearing her
She
voice
crashed
in
the
the
party.
background,
So guys, what I love about the namajuicer, it has a strainer. But all these accessories, guys, are extra. Like you have to buy all these as extra when you're buying it. But guys, I will give you, I'm gonna write in the description bar other juicers that are more cost effective, a little cheaper than this one. Like, you know, if you're a beginner, you're just, you know, starting juicing.
beginner friendly juicer.
Yeah, where you don't want to spend a lot of money. Yes. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Other juices that you guys can use. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stir this up. Acorn, come. Oops. So, guys, Acorn is going on a Zoom call, so I'm gonna let him try it, and we're gonna try it together. Yeah, we're gonna taste test and get Acorn's opinion.
So rich, guys.
Very rich.
Rich and thick. And we're gonna get the true reaction because he hasn't tried this before.
Yeah, we're gonna get Acorn's. Anyways, guys, Acorn is here. I stirred the juice.
Look
already.
like you're happy to be here, please.
Say hi to the lifestyle.
Everybody.
What?
Hello, lifestyler.
Well, everybody.
Okay, so here, I want my straw. Because I can't, guys, we have like 4 of these straws. I don't
This
know.
looks real green.
Yeah.
Kale, apple, celery.
Okay.
Okay.
Taste it first. Taste.
So when are you gonna talk?
Huh?
So when are you gonna talk?
No.
It's called a reaction.
So good.
Guys, everybody's lying. Why are you drinking so?
It's good though, it's actually. It's really good. Get
We
yourself.
don't believe.
What's this called? What's it called?
Kale, celery.
Get yourself some kale celery on
An
what?
apple.
On what?
And Riley's best.
On Riley'sBest.com.
No, Tina, it's good.
This is bitter.
Promise. Come and try this.
He said it's bitter.
Just try mine.
Just take a taste.
No, just try.
Aquan gulp it all
Yeah,
down.
look what Aquan did.
He didn't share with
And
us.
tell the lifestylers. Tell them
Tell
how
them how
it
it tastes.
tastes.
Take a
Come.
sip, just a little bit.
Yeah, tell them how it tastes. How it tastes. Huh? Guys,
Honest review.
guys,
Honest review.
guys, it tastes good. It's not.
So what was that? 2 thumbs down and 1 thumbs up, or 2 thumbs up and 1 thumbs
It's
down?
actually good.
Nah, I like it. It's better.
So 2 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down.
You want to taste it?
And
behind
as
the camera?
usual, guys, I'll put my comment in my reaction
wanna
in the
taste it?
comment. Yeah. Just a little, because I want mine for the bottle. I want mine to put up for my juice day. What's wrong with you? This don't count in my bottle, okay? Because I didn't ask for so
I don't
much.
know what's wrong with Tina.
I need mine in a bottle. You show them the bottle? I'll show them what I'm talking
Guys,
about.
let me say, pass the bottle over there. In the drink there. Yeah. Guys, she want herbs in this.
Yeah, so this don't count. Still fill my bottle up. Fill
how
me
does
up.
It tastes good.
It tastes good, guys. And between it and the chayote, which one would you say is better?
Chayote.
Yeah. I think if this had the cucumber,
It would have better.
yeah, but this tastes really good, guys. And I don't taste the
And the
bitter
apples
taste.
weren't sweet, guys.
Yeah, and it's not bitter. It's not bitter.
But guys, this is really
Just the
good.
kale has a strong taste.
Anyways, guys, let me fill up my glass.
Can you fill my bottle up before you fill your glass, please? Where's the
Listen.
bottle? Let them see you filling up my bottle. Let
Guys,
them
this is
see.
her bottle she talking, you know.
Let
She
them
wants her-
see.
She wants her bottle fill up, guys. You see her?
You ask for 10 minutes with that an hour. You don't want to fill my bottle. Fill my bottle up. Fill
And
it
she
up
get
on
a full
camera.
glass, you know, guys. She got a
Guys,
full glass.
place your orders. It's really good though.
So this is what, for tomorrow or today?
No, I have the chayote for today.
Oh yeah,
So that's for tomorrow.
So guys,
Then I have beets for Monday. And what's next on the menu?
tomorrow I want to do maybe beets, pineapple, pineapple. I don't know, maybe spinach. I want it to be loaded with iron.
I want
Yeah, so maybe
strawberry
beets.
one.
I don't know, but something different. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching
That's
my little fart.
Fort? What
Guys,
did she say?
Thank you so much for watching my 40 days of juicing.
And this is
So
day.
guys, you see my face, wanna watch me now, you see my figure. Wanna watch and see if you're not gonna see me.
This is what day?
Day actually 2.
Isn't it day 3?
No, day 3, you're
You
right.
had chayote for
'Cause I
2
did
days.
chayote
Yeah.
for 2 days. So this is day 3. This might last me to tomorrow, but I'm gonna still try to create a one. Yeah, because I want to give you guys all of it. Yeah, all my different juicing. Yeah, I want to share with you guys. Guys, little in them can't make it waste.
Too expensive.
It's gold, guys. This is gold. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming over and checking out my juice vlog, and I hope I inspire somebody, even one person, to get on this juicing. And if you decide to jump on the 40 days of juice cleansing with me, drop it in my comment section. Reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook in my inbox. Ask me any questions. I'm willing to share. I'm not gatekeeping, guys. Yeah, not because I'm a juicer.
But sis, you have 2 people jump on already. Your sister-in-law jumped on.
Yes, my sister-in-law Amanda jumped
I
on.
jumped on.
and Tina.
I'm defending.
She just, guys, me won't even bother with she.
I
But
jump on.
you guys reach out to me, and I'm not gatekeeping anything. Not because I'm a juicer. I have a juice business. I'm not juice keeping. I'm not gatekeeping. I believe who is for you is for you. Even if somebody else is doing it, they might not get the same support as me. So I'm not gatekeeping. I'm willing to share it. Because see, I'm sharing it with you guys. All right? So with that said, thank you for tuning in. Leave your girl a comment and let me know if you started the juicing.
Guys, see the face glowing?
Yeah. Guys, I have on no makeup.
See the
no
face glowing?
makeup.
It's called
at all.
LT Eden face.
Yes, yes. And guys, don't feel like you have to completely change. Sometimes, guys, takes time. So don't think when I pretend we're over here, just I drink juice and I eat carrot and I eat cucumber. No, it's a balance for me. Because it's something that I'm trying to gradually, start. So maybe in the next year, you hear me say, me give up this or me give up that or me I do something different. You know what I mean? So jump on the trend. Make a change. Self-care is not just your hair, your nails, your whatever. It's the inside too, guys. It's your body. Remember, this, I feel last, so we are 80, we are 90, whatever. So we have to start taking care of it. All right? Have a blessed day. Catch you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?